Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Power and Pose Season 2.
I am very excited about this event.
My best wishes for all the participants. So all the best to all the participants and may the best win.
We would really like to thank our sponsors. They are our biggest support. A joint initiative of Being Ivan Academy and Anytime Fitness, co-sponsored by Art Frequencies, associate sponsor Lumera. I would like to introduce the gift sponsors Athava, Samsthiti, The Whole Truth, Vivid, Impacto, Max Protein, Hope for Happiness, and our food sponsor, Chef and Mixologist.
It's not just about having a perfect face. It is actually about having the courage to show up, having the strength to fail.
So that 1% change is what matters in your life.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the director of Being Ivan Academy and Anytime Fitness, Kolkata, Mr. Ivan Banerjee. Please welcome Mr. Sudeep on stage from Anytime Fitness, the regional MXM of Anytime Fitness, Kolkata. Tonight.
Queen of today is none other than, this was unanimous, contestant number 32 Surbhi.
Well, truly grateful and deeply honored. I mean, it's a joy to be able to finally win the crown. So really honored.
Yeah, I'm still thrilled, still excited. Still, it has to sink in, I believe. So yeah, truly honored. Thank you so much.
I love this concept.
Sare participants, they are very talented. I wish I could have declared all of them as winners. And definitely all of them did very well.
Yes, so congratulations to everybody because everybody is a winner, and just train yourselves with proper mentorship and just keep rocking the runway because you all deserve to be in the runway.